Hi, I'm Dan Namerow. First and foremost, I am a master electrician. I am also the president of Farryn Electric Corporation. So this was actually a punishment. My father owned an electrical business, and this was my last chance to stay in my parents' home. So 20 years later, I'm getting the last laugh. I still do this. My father is retired, and it's the best thing that could have ever happened to me. There are two components. You've got the school component. It's absolutely integral to your career. Learning why you're doing things, learning how these things work is just as important as a boss telling you what to do. You're not going to get the why and the how on the job site. So it is schooling that is very important. Along with that, field experience, as much as you can possibly get. And typically it takes 5 years for somebody to feel completely comfortable within the field of electricity to go out and work on their own. A piece of advice to whomever would do this: treat your business, treat your customers as if they were your friends. And what I mean by that specifically is remove all of the actual responsibilities that you have with regard to, as an example, running a wire or putting a switch in. My advice to you would be, if you pass an empty garbage can, take it up. If you're working in a commercial site and you see mail in a mailbox, take it to the owner of the business. Be as old-fashioned as you possibly can while you're doing the work. The biggest challenges by far is communication. I mean, we can chisel it down to just that one word: communication between you and the homeowner, communication between you and the office. It's absolutely paramount, and anyone who gets into this business, I would say, needs to be a very good communicator. Number one is drive. In other words, you cannot ever, no matter what you've accomplished in your life, hold yourself above any task that you may be asked to do. You've got to dive into that task with all your heart and soul, become an expert at that, and climb the ladder, just like every last one of us have done. No one in this business, no one that's successful, has been given anything. Where it's going, and I truly believe that eventually Pennsylvania will come around, but we are in the initial stages of wind and solar power. But the future that is quote unquote now that we're experiencing a lot is electric powered cars, and people wanting to be able to charge those cars at their place of residence. Keep an open mind. Communicate always. Never say no to anything, and always try to stay a step ahead of the person that you answer to, and you will be successful in this business.